Did you ever click on something by accident while browsing Amazon? If so, you'll quickly find out that Amazon will now flood your email address and recommendation tab with similar products. But there is a method to the madness of the Amazon recommendation system. They have proven that using the data provided by customers as they surf the web is valuable. It is estimated that Amazon's conversion to sales of on-site recommendations is as high as 60%, and up to 35% of all Amazon sales come from the recommendation system. Data in the form of what actions you take online, your browsing history, and your IP address are just a few pieces of data that are being collected by online retailers as you browse the web. All of which serves to help online retailers customize recommendations and special offers that resonate with consumers. So what happens when an online giant attempts to develop a physical store that incorporates all of these data collection features? You end up with something like Amazon Go. Amazon Go collects and uses data throughout the entire shopping experience. In order to even get in the door, Amazon collects data in the form of a smartphone app linked to your Amazon account. This gives Amazon access to your entire purchase history before you even step foot in the store. Inside the store, there's a network of cameras that are used to track every time a product is moved throughout the store. But these cameras also allow Amazon to collect detailed information on your every move. How long are you looking at a product? Where do you go first in the store? Etc. It represents the opening of the Pandora's box when it comes to physical data collection. Given the buzz around the arrival of the Amazon Go concept, it shows that consumers are relatively comfortable providing their data to retail outside of the traditional online settings. Now retailers need to come up with a plan that will allow them to start to collect data on their customers and use it in a meaningful way.